Let's move inside.
Only the winners of the raffle actually. Oh, nice shirt, brother. Brother, ooh. Ooh, brother. Sister. Ooh, sister.
Wait. Hey Joe, what are you doing?
Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening.
Don't lick the bed. We got parts, we got space, we got packs. They're running high voltage lines out. Look at that.
So everyone is curious what happens with the batteries, what is inside the belly, and how it looks like, how it works, what is the common problems with the battery in the battery repairs. And today I will show you everything, and I will show you the small things you will understand. Let's start from this car. This is 2017, I guess, Tesla Model X. It's the battery needs to be replaced. So the process of the battery replacement happens in a few steps, or repair, whatever, in a few steps. First of all, it's the diagnostic. We diagnose the battery. We're trying to figure out what is wrong with the battery. We are finding broken cells. We are finding any different problems. Let's say, for example, if you are familiar and you hear sometime in your life, contactors. So this is the two contactors. They are located inside the battery, but it's located in this part of the battery. And sometimes these contactors needs to be replaced. Basically, the battery fault is the same. So it's not all the time necessary your battery needs to be replaced or the module needs to be fixed or replaced when you got the battery error code. So the first thing is diagnostic. Also, we recommend always have the second opinion, because very often we get some cars from out of states, from other services. I will not say the names, but sometimes the people factor always works, and there is always the reason to get a second opinion, because we got a lot of cars from the people who told that their battery needs to be replaced, but finally it's not even the batteries. For example, the DC-DC converter get failure, and it's the same error code, right? And some people telling your battery needs to be replaced. That's going to be $10,000, but in the end of the day, it's only like $2,000. You know, it's a big difference. This is the battery opening procedure. So basically, what we do, the battery is sealed, and we remove the sealing. We have the tools. So we open the battery, we just put like a saw inside, and we are dismantled. To have the, not dismantled, but disassembled, right? So to get the access to the failure modules. While we did the diagnosis, we can figure out what module exactly is broken, right? So in this case, we're starting inspect the modules. There are going to be several problems with your modules. This is the small cell inside the battery, right? So sometimes the cause of your whole battery problem, which costs you $10,000 or $20,000 replacement with Tesla, it's only this one battery failure, $20,000. That's what we do. We detect the broken cell sometimes, and if there is a solution with this, right, we just isolate it. We just disconnect it, and we removed it from the system, in your battery good to go again. In some cases, it's not the reason, and the whole module needs to be replaced. Sometimes, guys, when you have an option to walk around here, you will see that here inside are the small wires. Sometimes there is a problem with the wires. Walk around the modules, you can see small aluminum wires. So, and sometimes when this wire is disconnected, you get the same problem. Also here you can see those wires, you see guys? And sometimes this small wire is disconnected, and that can be the cause of your battery failure. So it's not necessarily like a huge problem, right? For example, if we have this small wire problem, we will have still the same error code. So that means we have to make the whole inspection procedure. We have to open the battery, we have to manually inspect, and if we found the wire is disconnected, we just fix this part. We have a special welding machine that we just weld this part back to the cell. This is almost it about the batteries. In some cases, it needs to be like BMS replacement. I will show you here. I have prepared for you. This is the BMS. Right guys, this is the BMS. The BMS is located in this part of the battery. This is battery management system. This is the most important part of the module. You know what is BMB? Have you ever heard the difference between BMS and BMB? Every module have the BMB. So this is the small computer that controls the separate module. So this is computer controls whole battery, this is just separate modules. So sometimes these modules needs to be replaced to fix like your battery. So it could be several reasons why you got the failure of your battery. I show you the most common problems with the battery failures. Another thing which is very important, raise your hands who hear what is louvers. So this is the louvers. This is the one of the main causes why your battery get a failure too. So this is the battery coolant system, and it's located inside the front bumper. So this one is located behind the bumper, and these two pieces, just right here, are located in the bottom of the front bumper. If these two parts, or this set of parts have malfunction, your battery gets overheated. So basically, you are most likely to get the battery failure. So your battery will die. And this is the number one preventive action we need to do with your cars. And who have older Model X's and Model S's especially, I highly recommend to come for inspection to bring your car. We will detect, we will we will diagnose and see what is your louver's condition right now. So this is very important stuff. Here also I have placed the main battery fuse for those who like to see. So this sometimes there is some short circuit or something, and this fuse could be broken or any other stuff. And what is the difference? So another thing is what I want to show you. This, you can see there is a difference between batteries. So this battery have like smaller modules, these batteries have bigger modules. What's the difference? So a difference is very simple. This is a Model 3 and Model Y batteries. And this is the older type. Sometimes there is batteries with a foam inside that you are not able to remove these modules. Let's say, for example, Model S and X 2021, like refreshed, right? They all have different system inside, and there is not a lot of opportunities to fix them because the modules are inside the foam. But with the older cars, fortunately, right now, these modules are replaceable, right? This is Model 3 modules. Model 3 battery or Model Y is the same. And there is a module from the same battery that we are working on it. We are repairing this battery right now. So this basically the battery will be repaired, and there is repair process. Also, if you see guys, there is a cable. It's kind of simulate. So we can test the batteries without the installation on the car. This is just kind of extension that it helps us to diagnose the battery. Also, we have a lot of tools, the like electronical devices. This is top secret devices, we don't share them, but this is devices that help us to diagnose batteries without the vehicle at all, right? So we are not sharing information yet because, as I told you earlier, we are working on that device, and we are planning to go to B2B solutions and provide all other shops across the United States to use our devices to help thousands and thousands of Tesla owners across the country, right? So basically, we don't need even to have a car here to fix your battery. So only we need to get error codes and diagnose, and most of the services for the diagnosis also can be provided remotely. This is our new feature also. We have developed last month the solution for the remote diag, and this is a very popular service for people out of state. So when you will browse, you will see the differences in the battery. You will see this stuff, it's 100% safe. It's 100% safe? Not 100% safe. Don't touch. Don't do like this. And right here, we have prepared for you disassembled rear drive unit for older Tesla Model S. And here is also a lot of interesting information.